Hello, today I will present my project called The Chemistry of My Garden. In this project, I want to understand how atoms, matter, and chemical elements affect plant growth. My research question is how elements like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium affect plant growth. In my garden, everything is made of atoms. Nitrogen helps leaves stay green. Phosphorus helps roots and flowers, and potassium makes the plant stronger. I use four groups that compare plant growth. I measured height, number of leaf, color change, and germination time. These are the materials I use of this experiment. I think that if plants receive nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, they will grow faster and have green leaf because these elements are essential. Here are my results. The plants with only water with the worst. The soil root with a little bitter. Compost helps a lot of, and the best results are with NPK fertilizer. The results is now show that nutrients helps plants grow better. Compost and NPK work the best because they have important elements. Bye.